Listen to Daisy snore. They're all laid out in the bed. Cute, huh? Uh oh. Remington just woke up.